What's happening?
Tell you exactly what's happening. Yo, what go on, Teach?
Here we are. Bit of an unexpected video.
It is, though.
We did announce it yesterday, though. It's a Tuesday. Why are we doing a video on a Tuesday for?
I know, we sat here as well in big coats and stuff.
Freezing, I am.
Cold and wet.
Honest to God, it's freezing. We're at Cafe in a Machine.
It's true, though. We're back in the yard, back in the manor.
We're up this neck of the woods because we've got some exciting news for you, innit?
Yeah, though. And I tell you what, it's been damn hard keeping it a secret over the last couple of months. I felt important as well.
I tell you what, it's his news, so I'm going to turn the camera around and put it all on him. Hold on.
Right, so this moment has been coming a while, innit? I'm very excited, and I tell you what, it's been hard to keep this quiet, I'm not even joking. Many even know, M4 went way back sometime, I don't know, used car prices are through the roof, I had a phone call, made some bare dollar, I sold the car, innit? That's good. Many even know I've wanted something for a while anyway, and this is what was going to replace the Beetle. You'll see why in a minute, why it needs to go in a garage, but anyway, fast forward a bit of time, I've only gone and bloody done it, haven't I? Have a little look at that, go on. Right, that's enough for that. I tell you what, I'm big excited, innit? It's hard to get words out for this, I'll be honest with you, because I've wanted this moment for so long, yeah? Over a year and a half ago, you know, if not a little bit longer, I drove Alex, AJ Retro's, his Evo 5, and it changed my mind. Now, I've been into Jap cars, you know, I tell you what's the wrong way of putting it. I've always had German whips, yeah, but I've appreciated Jap cars from a very young age. I just didn't think about owning them for whatever reason. Drove his one, and it's like changed my life, changed my dynamic. It's gone back earlier than that, innit? I can remember back in the day, Gran Turismo 2 vibes. I was always whipping Evos, the rallies you would always see. And I'd tell you what, I'm not being rude, have a look at this, yeah? There was this game, Maximum Tune it was called, now, a high tide in Portugal. I used to walk there, yeah, every weekend, even in weather like this, to go and play on it. It was £1 to go, but it'd give you a little card that you could then get printed on. And so every time you put the card back in, you know, you picked up where you left off, and you could do mods to the car.
Like a save game,
like
basically.
A save game, yeah. But I always had a white Evo on there, which is quite exciting. So for me, it had to be that colour, innit? But a year and a half ago as well, I also bought a 4G63 keyring, just saying. That was my thing of, I know it was going to happen. But come on, let's go look at the car. Oh,
Seriously though, right, we've had a really long drive up here to go and come and get this car, right? Coventry we picked it up from, right? But I've never seen the boy smile so much, I'll be honest, right? I'm sorry, I'm not even filming the car, there it is. My bad. But yeah, he's copied me, haven't he? First of all, he copied me in getting tattoos, then he copied me in going bald, and now he's copied me in getting an Evo, innit? What can I tell you? But when he comes back out now, we'll have a little film with him, and we'll show you some of his excitement. Let me show you a couple of bits on the inside while I'm here though. Got a boost gauge as well. He's got a wheel which he is going to change. He's got another one coming. He's got some pedals which he is going to take off. And other than that, here is the interior of my man's Evo 6. There's a sticker here as well, right, which says, careful in car washes. You've got a massive wing on the back of it. It's not wrong though, is it?
yo, what's happening? What do we tell you?
You looking quite happy today.
I am pretty happy in here, you know.
Tell me your initial thoughts. How are you feeling? All of this sort
It
of
doesn't
thing.
feel real, yeah. Even when I walk over to this car, I keep thinking, yo, that's a pretty sick Evo in it, to be fair. But yeah, it hasn't settled in, and it's mine. But I've gone to buy gifts as well. Not even for myself. Well, I tell you what, I bought one thing for myself in it, which was a little JDM cup in it with some JDM coffee, which is probably UK coffee, but we'll go with JDM. It's got a sticker in it. I bought a present from Legs in there as well, so we can't show that. But you know, we active. But yeah, man, that's my Evo. So it's an Evo.
Stop walking backwards. I'm trying to film you with it. Go near your car, you silly sod.
I'm enjoying it, innit?
Oh, talk to me, Evo owner.
Right, what do you want me to say, fam?
First thoughts, first impressions.
I'm damn excited.
Plans, anything.
Yeah, right. So I've been buying parts over the last good few weeks anyway, and got a nice Casco front and rear braces for it. Bought a dump valve for it. What else we got? I got a nice dogfight steering wheel, because the steering wheel in there, right, is hideous. That's the one thing.
I filmed it, yeah.
That's the one thing I don't like in it. But yeah, it's still pretty early, innit? You know, I've only driven it like 40 minutes to get here at the minute. So aside from that, I got to shout out Adam's JDM as well, because he helped with the whole buying experience of the car. So the car is straight from Japan, yeah. First UK owner, being boss. And apart from that, we can't tell him much about it, because I tell you what, I've driven it, and it goes like stink. I tell you, what are you saying about it? It goes like mad on boost, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, oh, something been done to it. It's had a little fiddle, haven't it?
Yeah, but it's planted, you know, it's nice and firm on. This is what I'm excited about. Take it to Alex's, get up on the ramp, we can see exactly about it. It's on Evo 5 GSR wheels, which are pretty rare to find, because the geezer already said, you know, when I want to buy new wheels, which I'm going to do, he'll buy them ones back off me, but I might keep them as a spare pair, in it, or winters or whatever. We've got a lovely carbon fibre bonnet, we've got them Ganador mirrors. Yeah, I'm excited. I tell you what, it's the wrong day to have words, innit? I just want to drive it, I just want to hoon it, and it's the wrong time of year to buy a car like this, isn't it? But I tell you what, coming from Japan to where we are now, it's taken about 3.5 months. The longest thing for me was waiting for the registration. You're looking confused over there, bro. You good?
I'm not over there, but I'm over here.
That's alright, innit? Longest thing for me was waiting for the UK registration, innit?
No long thing.
No long thing, which took about 4.5 weeks, something like that. So it's keeping this a secret has been hard, I'll be honest.
Oh yeah, 100%.
But yeah, what better place to do it than you?
Exactly that, and he's boring me now, so I thought I'd cut it short. innit?
Sorry, innit?
Look, we got reflection shots as well and everything.
boy, innit?
Oh yeah, you're going to be checking out all the reflections now, innit?
Well, then when I was driving it, I thought someone was up my ass, to be fair. But it's not. It's that spoiler in the rear mirror, which is bonkers.
Anyway, look, this is the reveal video.
Yeah.
Another video that will come after this is the getting it on the lift and having a look at it and seeing what parts and what other bits and bobs we can see. But for now, thank you very much for watching.
Damn straight.
We're now double Evo owners, innit?
I tell you what, yeah, Viking Moves 2022, the year of the 6, innit? That's what's going on. Oh yeah, we done.
Wow.